Hello, my name is Ludivine Simone. I'm Senior Manager Conference Management at K.I.T Group and co-leader of the Digital Event Task Force. Finding a suitable platform for a virtual event can be difficult, but it gets even more challenging for a hybrid event. Organizers often struggle with the answers to questions such as how to connect on-site and remote attendees, how to build a community during the event, and how to encourage attendees to interact even though they are not in the same location or perhaps even the same time zone. K.I.T Group's digital event platform, K.I.T, allows and enhances these connections. Thanks to its fully mobile design and easy navigation, participants can connect and interact in real time before, during, and after the event. When it comes to the hybrid experience, your responsibility as an organizer is to ensure that each participant has access to the information relevant to them. Thanks to an uncomplicated rights and permission management system, K.I.T allows you to easily select which content and modules each group of participants can access, so that in the end, each attendee receives the best event experience, whether on-site, online, or both.